So, new project for my mini hoe, my PC35, building myself a grading bucket. So this is akin to something like an Encon bucket. I don't have a tilt rotator, but I do have the twist wrist, and I think this is going to be a really nice tool. So I don't know how this shows up, if you can tell. The front of the bucket is about what did I make it, like 6 or 8 inches wider than the back, so it's got quite of a flare out like that to the side. That's intentional so that when you're grading, say, up next to a foundation wall or a footing or something like that, I don't know, it's hard to explain if you don't run an excavator, but if you do, you know, like you're trying to pull up alongside a wall and you're always hitting the back of the bucket and not really cutting at the front nicely, so you kind of end up side swiping dirt against your wall. So the idea is that with the angle on there, that helps alleviate that and gets you in tighter with the front edge. So goes the theory anyways. We'll see how it works in real life. So yeah, low profile, big flat bottom for grading. That's the intention. And I did the QT 400, which is like AR stuff, quench and tempered hardened stuff for cutting edges, for front cutting edge, sides there, threw some on there too, and of course a bunch of wear bars on the bottom there, if you can kind of see that. So yeah, I've been working on this all week here, kind of on and off as I've had a few hours here and there, trying to get this done because I got a job next week that I think this will be the perfect tool for. So between this and the twist wrist, I think it'll be great, but we will see. Maybe I'll get a few clips of that in action next week and show you how it works. So yeah, I'll do that job and then bring her back to the shop, clean things up, and throw some paint at it, and that'll be done. And I think that's about all the work I'm going to do on the mini hoe here now. All right, so that's another project mostly wrapped up here, other than throwing paint at it. Got her all done. Ears are on. Gusseted it. Put those plates on there to give it a little more stability. And I can say so far it works awesome. I just did a little playing around here in the dirt, and I'm really happy with it so far. It works just like I expected. Haven't tried it with the twist wrist yet, but that'll be Monday, going out to do a job. So that's it. I'll try and throw in some clips of this thing working here.